That's the fuel pump we put on. I'm not 100%. It works, but it makes a racket, which is fair enough. But hopefully it's not over-pressurising the carburetors. I don't think it is, but that's wet there. Look. I don't know. Might be hard to see. This bit here. That could be a bit of oil from somewhere. Not too sure. It doesn't smell like petrol, so. Oh, fucking hell. We're going that way. We'll crack on. Okay. We started there. This road is absolutely blinding. It's all brand new, twisties through the mountains, all the way down, through Awazazat again, and then to here. Now we're going to go on this road, the R307, and that takes us all the way up through the national park to here, and then we'll see what time it is. It's about 3 hours, I think, so we try. So we saw these pups yesterday. Stopped here just to have a sit down because there was a wall and a bit of shade because the sun was in a different place. But we came back with food today because we're staying around here to have a rest for a day or two. We've given them some water. We've given them some food. And I think they live over there because you can hear the dogs barking over there. So I think they're from there. I've given them. They have a little drink, look, but they're not. Then there's 5 of them. They've all had a little drink, but they're not, drinking all of it in one go. So maybe their mother is coming to them. I don't know, because they don't look too. I mean, they look a bit skinny, but they're not. It's not the end of the world. But you can't take 5 pups on a motorbike. And where would you take them to? I think their mum is here somewhere. Let's see, they have a little drink. Do you see? And then this. Yeah, then they stop, look. So if they weren't getting anything, all of that would be gone immediately, I would have thought, between 5 of them. So I think they're getting the milk or something from their mum. Maybe I'm just trying to make myself feel better because obviously 5 pups out here. You have to wonder, don't you? But then this is a different country, so we'll see. Look at this lot, look. Here I am, just stopped by the road, and these lot turn up. Now they don't know what to do with themselves. Try and give them some water or something. Emilchi? I think we're on the way to Emilchi. It sounds like there's fighter jets out there somewhere. You can hear them. Might be able to hear them on this, I don't know. But this is where we came, right? Up this. Oh. We come over there from over there. It's not too hot actually, it's not too bad. No phone reception for a little while. Still not now. Once we get closer to the town or whatever, we'll probably pick it up again. Lovely. Bike's going alright, so it's all good. It's pretty steep coming up these things, so we're not hammering it, we're just tickling along, sort of 80 kilometres or less. So anyway, we'll see how it goes. Crack-a-lackin'. These tyres are German. And they are very Scout, I think they are. She's getting down a bit now, like, but that's probably got at least 12,000 kilometres on it. We did last year. We went to Norway, Germany, France, Spain, Andorra, and back up. So it's a fair old trip. It's a set. I met a German bloke and he said in Germany you have to have the same front tyre as the back tyre. You're not allowed to have two different legs. He was on a motorbike, right?